hating on you with their friends, girl, you got it.
We can't even let you down. You just want everybody you doing.
Yeah, he's not gonna act like he ain't got no sense at all. It's your girl Meci'Athemodel, and I'm back with another one. We are here in Austin, Texas, and we're at Spicy Boys Fried Chicken. This is a food truck that my significant other wanted to try so bad. So let's see what it's hitting for. I heard you talking about this is just a snack, y'all. That's some big bag activity and shit. A hot G sandwich, and he got the 5-piece bone-in chicken. So we about to see what it's hitting for. Everybody here obviously likes this, and everybody is ordering it. So let's see what it's hitting for. I hope it's good, but I'm gonna let y'all know. I'll be back.
The pack has been secured.
What'd you think so far, babe? Yeah, Spicy Boys in Austin, Texas. This is what we're eating. Yeah, I heard him say the pack has been secured.
This house smell like some Japanese fried chicken. I don't really know what Japanese fried chicken smell like. It smell like grease and soy sauce.
Oh, we about to see. And it better not be nasty, I swear, because that's gonna make me mad.
Ain't gonna make me mad. I already got my mindset that I want something else.
Oh my gosh, not a snack. Hold on.
Okay, this might be some, they might have
Spicy
some
Boys,
smoking right
guys. Wait, show me what you got. He got the 5-piece chicken wings, bone in. And I got the hot G sandwich. I don't know. This might cause me to have some air because this smells spicy. I'm gonna need some air in here. Cause I got this, no.
Yeah.
It's warming up outside. Now, it did not come with no like fries or no nothing extra. This is just what it comes with by itself. Yeah, let me undo my pants because I know I'll be fat. Cash, move. What you think, babe?
That might got something going now.
It might got something going?
This shit hot though.
It's hot. Yeah, you're gonna need your medicine.
No, I'm talking about spicy, like hot, like
Fresh?
just fresh.
Okay, y'all, this is what my burger looks like. With the pepper jack cheese, the special sauce that they have, their special bun, and pickles, and some lettuce at the bottom. So
The
let's
chicken's
see what it's
cooked
here.
well done, bro.
Huh? The chicken's cooked well done? Okay, let's see.
Oh yeah. You don't like it?
Oh my god. I don't know. This is different. I don't know if I love it or hate it. It's like giving me like spicy cinnamon toast crunch vibes.
Nah, hell no. Nah, no way.
It's like a cinnamony taste in here too.
It's honey glaze.
No, mine don't have no honey glaze on there. I'm sorry, guys. Come on, about it.
No, baby.
Your nose over there running. But where do you rank it?
Yeah, Mini Man.
Mm-hmm.
Mini Man.
Out of 10.
About 7.
A 7? I was gonna say a 6. About a 6. A little quick little on-the-go snack. If you need it, little 5-piece chicken. You know what I'm saying? Just for you to just eat something up before you hit 6th Street. I ain't gonna lie, it's good. It's good. You know, it ain't just something that I would say I'll go eat every day. I'll just have to like really want this, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I most definitely think that everybody should try it because everybody's palates is different.
I wrap this up on me. I'm out of eating them now.
Wrong.
Try this here chicken.
What's on it? Boy, move.
Move.
Cash, move.
Whatever, leave it.
Yeah, the chicken good. That chicken good. That 5-piece little chicken. Yeah, that's good. The chicken sandwich good too. The chicken good. The 5-piece chicken's good. It's like that was like a honey glaze. This one, it got some type of cinnamon, some type of something in that sauce. And I can taste it. But it's not bad.
I got that papaya relish.
It's spicy. So, if you love a little spice and you want your nose to run like mine is right now, and his is over here, y'all gotta try spicy. Spicy boys when y'all come to Austin, Texas. Where is this at?
So 6th Street, East End to 6th Street.
Y'all heard what he said.
That's Central. It's East End. It's on the east side. I ain't gonna lie. I wanna eat this, but not right now. I need a piece of bread or something to go with them. Should've got the little roti. That would've been good with it.
I'll give it a 7. I'll give it a 7. All together. You give it a 7 too, babe?
That's okay.
And they give you little
On to the
towels.
next food spot.
Not on to the next food spot.
No. Where you go for some tacos?
Some tacos?
Oh, I'm thinking.
All right,
Really
y'all.
go to Molly House.
All right, y'all. Well, I'll be back. Let's see where we go next, and we'll do another review there.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.